Hello students, good morning to all. I am Swati Patel, your English teacher. In last video, we have learned question number 1 to 5 of poem Good Morning. Now today in this video, we will start with the question number 6 of poem Good Morning. Let's say aloud. Find words in the poem which rhyme with. That means you have to write rhyming words. B tree, B tree. Day away, day away. To you, to you. Next question. What do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw in the two boxes, the one below, and color the picture. Here two boxes it is given. There you have to draw the picture. In first box you have to draw picture of day, and in another box you have to draw picture of night. Whatever you can see during the daytime, that you have to draw in the first box, and whatever you can see during the night time, that you have to draw in the another box. And then fill up the colors and use pencil colors or crayons. Don't use sketch pens. Okay. Now next, that is 8th question. Write two words each from the two pictures you have drawn. Here in the 7th question you have drawn two pictures, right? So in first picture, during the daytime, which things you can see, that you have to write in the first box. Sun you can write, sunlight you can write, birds, trees if you have drawn in that picture, mountains, river, whatever you have drawn in that picture you can write in the given box. In the another box, that is a night scene, that you have drawn the picture, right? So in that picture, which things you can see, that you have to write here in the another box, that is in table. So during the night time, what you can see in the sky, you can see moon as well as stars. So you have to write that moon, stars, even moonlight you can see. Birds are sleeping on the tree. Then you can, if you have shown that in the, that you also you can write. Now next question, that is 9th question. Form groups. Tell each other an interesting thing you have seen in the garden one day. Means before few days ago that you have visited garden or park, and whatever you have seen, that you have to write in the notebook. Here individually we are going to do this work, because groups it is not possible for us right now. So this work we will do individually. So whatever things you have seen, that you have to write in your notebook. Last Sunday I was playing with my brother in the garden. So in place of brother, if you want to write your sister or friend or cousin, that also you can write. So you can write like that. Last Sunday I was playing with my friend in the garden. There were beautiful flowers of all kind. That means different kinds of flowers were there. Even if you want to write the name of flowers, that also you can write, that I have seen roses, then sunflowers, or any other flowers you have seen, that name of the flowers you can write. Colorful butterflies were wandering from one flower to another. That means butterflies, they were sitting, then within few seconds they were going to another flower. My brother and I wanted to touch the butterflies. As we went near the butterflies, they flew away. हम जैसे ही बटरफ्लाई के पास में जाते थे उनको टच करने के लिए, वो तुरंत ही उड़ जाते थे. We tried many times, but we could not touch them. We were trying many times to touch the butterflies, but we could not touch. Okay, I hope that all of you have understood this question and answers. Now this you have to copy down in your notebook. Thank you.